There are three different positions that we want to know about in a kayak. The first is called the aggressive position. The next is the neutral position. And when you lean back in a boat, that's called the defensive position. As our natural default position, we want to be sitting in a neutral to slightly aggressive position. If we lean back in our boat becomes unstable. It also becomes more difficult to paddle forwards. If you find yourself moving back, you might want to adjust your back band.